Hi, my name's Ed Estrada, and I'm the designer and developer of the MaxSac tool bag. I'm an elevator mechanic by trade. I got tired of having my bag disorganized all the time, so I decided to design my own so that I could keep my tools organized on the job. The front of the bag is designed for your electrical tools, wire cutters, strippers, everything you need to do a wiring job is right here in the front, along with a handy storage bin for all your electrical connectors. One of the unique features of the MaxSac is you have a spot for each one of your wrenches, and you can fit up to 2 wrenches in each pouch, so you can have metric and standard. The back of the bag I set up for all of my pliers. I have 2 small pouches and 2 large pouches. You can get your channel locks, your lineman pliers, needle nose, everything you're gonna need on the job is right here, along with the tape measure, and your electrical tape can fit in the bottom pouch. On this side of the bag, there's some nice pouches here for your level, Allen wrenches, and a utility knife. Another key feature of the MaxSac is the large open area. If you want to carry a drill, an impact, you can fit multiple large tools in here and take them with you on the job. You have room for all your screwdrivers. There's also sockets are designed to fit right in here on top, and your smaller bits right below, so everything is handy and accessible. If you've ever had a bag that the sides were all soft, when you go to put your tools in, everything just collapses in. I solved that issue with these plastic panels that fit right inside the sides and keep everything nice and tight and upright. Order yours online today at MaxSacToolbags.com, free next day shipping.